Nah, bro, you get to sleep. Uncle Bitch is tired. You have no fucking idea to get killed and get run over by Mickey Mouse. Ha ha. That is enough motherfucking noise for a day. Ha ha. You're making me fucking dead and dreadful. Ha ha. Love to film this. This is gonna go viral. Hee hee hee. Where's Twilight Sparkle? I'm gonna summon her. Ha ha. Nah, bro, this is what you get for being a fucking little shit. Best motherfucking shit ever. Ha 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 ha. Oh shit, what the fuck is that?